Jhalak Raghuvanshi, anchor, reporter, and media in charge, and I welcome you all to Raj English School News channel. I'm here with some of the latest news headlines. So let's start with some of the school news. Prize distribution of all students of Raj English School basketball team held in school after winning in Khelo India Khelo. Second, Raj English School won the gold medal in relay race. Third, Rangoli making, Diya making and Toran making competition held in Raj English School. Fourth, holidays of Diwali have been started in school from 11th to 15th November. And fifth one is that drama competition was held in Raj English School on the 9th of the November. Now let's move to some CBSE related news. CBSE releases class 10th and 12th practical exam dates for 2024. Second, important notice released for subject-wise marks distribution of practical exams. Third, national news. PM Modi to attend COP28 in Dubai to host G20 summit virtually. Second, Jammu and Kashmir Police Special Cell raids multiple locations in rupees 85 crore money laundering case. Now some international news. North Korea slams Blinken's comments on ties with Moscow. Second, Iran says expansion of Israel and Hamas war is inevitable. Now it's time for some entertainment news. Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif's film Tiger 3 earned 15 crore ahead of release and set to open at 40 crore now. Second, Kareena Kapoor to rejoin forces as Avni in Rohit Shetty's directional film Singham Again. Now some sports news. First, Virat Kohli achieved a milestone by equaling Sachin Tendulkar's all-time record for one-day international centuries. Now second, New Zealand Test cricketer Henry Nicholls to face ball tampering charge. Some Scout and Guide news. Scout and Guide Foundation Day celebrated in school on the 7th of the November. Now it's time for some other news. 5 killed and 60 injured in bus collision on Chennai-Bengaluru highway in Tamil Nadu. Second, BJP to select opposition leader on November of the 7th. Now let's meet after a short break. Now the school news are certificates are given to all students who participated in the basketball match. Second, medals are given to the rank holders of Diya making competition. Third, Diwali is celebrated with full joy in the school and holidays have been started from 11th November to 15th November. And the last one is that the drama competition was held in Raj English School on 9th of the November where Freedom Group won the first prize. Now let's move to the CBSE related news. The Central Board of Secondary Education has announced the practical examination dates for class 10th and 12th. The second one is that the CBSE has released an important notice regarding the verification of marks for the Practical Assessment Examination 2024. Some national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will likely be present at the 28th edition of United Nations Conference of Parties COP to begin end of the November in Dubai. Second one, the Jammu and Kashmir Police Special Cell, the State Investigation Agency SIA, raided multiple locations across Jammu and Kashmir in a money laundering case to the tune of 85 crores. Some international news. North Korea's foreign ministry on Saturday slammed US Secretary of State Antony Blinken's comments on Pyongyang's relation with Moscow, saying that remarks would only escalate the dangerous and political military tension. Second one, Iran's foreign minister Hossein Amir said Friday that expansion of the Israel and Hamas war has become inevitable. Some entertainment news. As per a report, over 550,000 tickets have been sold for the Hindi version, while dubbed version have sold around 25,000 tickets for the opening day of Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif starrer Tiger 3. Second one, The makers of Singham Again have unveiled Kareena Kapoor's first look for the film. In the poster, the actress looks intensely into the camera, pointing a gun. The sports news are first, India's iconic cricketer Virat Kohli has achieved a remarkable milestone by equaling Sachin Tendulkar's all-time record for ODI centuries on November 5th. Kohli scored his 49th ODI century during a match in the ongoing ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2023. Second one, Test batter Henry Nicholls has been accused of breaking New Zealand's cricket code of conduct after being reported by umpires for ball tampering in a domesticated first-class match this week. Some Scout and Guide news. Scout and Guide Foundation Day, as we know, which occurs every year on the November of 7th, have been celebrated in the school. Now let's move to some other news, which are 5 people were killed and 60 passengers were injured after two buses collided head on the Chennai-Bengaluru National Highway in Tamil Nadu's Tirupattur district. And the second one is the Bharatiya Janata Party, known as BJP High Command, is scheduled to hold a meeting and finalize the name of Karnataka's next leader of opposition on 17th of the November. That's all. Thank you so much and stay connected with RES News channel.